Get ready to challenge your ears and test your auditory skills. In this video, we'll take you on a sonic journey with a series of secret sounds. From bizarre noises to obscure tones, can you identify the sources of these mysterious sounds? Dive into the challenge and see how many of these 10 sounds you can guess correctly. What can you hear? Let's listen again. One more time. Knocking on the door. Recognize that sound? Let's listen again. One more time. Turning the page. What sound is that? One more time. Writing on a chalkboard. What can you hear? One more time. A buzzing swarm of bees. Recognize that sound? One more time. Shaking spray paint canister. What sound is that? Let's listen again. Heartbeats. What can you hear? One more time. Spray bottle in action. Recognize that sound? Let's listen again. One more time. Think you know it? Electrical spark. What can you hear? Let's listen again. One more time. Cracking open a drinks can. Recognize that sound? Let's listen again. One more time. Phone notification vibration. Thanks for playing. If you had fun and learned something, please give us a like and subscribe. And don't forget to let us know how you did in the comments below. See you on the next one.